A car without a fuel system is like a body without a circulatory system. Just as our heart, veins, and arteries work together to deliver oxygen and nutrients to our bodies, the fuel system in a car orchestrates the delivery of fuel to the engine, powering our journeys. Starting with the fuel tank, this is where the lifeblood of the vehicle, be it gasoline or diesel, is stored, ready to be sent to the engine. Located typically at the back of the car, the fuel tank not only safely holds the fuel, but also keeps track of how much remains, thanks to an inbuilt sensor. Next up is the fuel pump. This component takes on the role of the heart, drawing fuel from the tank and delivering it to the engine. In most modern vehicles, an electric pump does this job, maintaining a constant pressure to ensure the fuel reaches the engine efficiently. But what happens when the fuel isn't clean? Just as our bodies have kidneys to filter out toxins, cars have a fuel filter. This component ensures that any impurities, debris, or contaminants are removed before the fuel reaches the engine. A clean fuel supply is a must for engine efficiency, as dirty fuel can clog injectors and increase emissions. Speaking of injectors, fuel injectors are the precision components responsible for delivering a fine mist of fuel directly into the engine's combustion chamber. They ensure an optimal air-fuel mixture, which is vital for combustion. Modern vehicles use electronic fuel injectors, which are controlled by the engine control unit, ensuring precise fuel delivery based on various engine parameters. Lastly, connecting all these components are the fuel lines. Like the veins in our bodies, they connect the fuel tank, pump, and injectors. Made to withstand high pressure and temperature changes, any damage or leaks in fuel lines can lead to reduced engine performance and an increased fire risk. In essence, the car fuel system is an intricate network of components that work in harmony to ensure the proper supply of fuel to the engine. Regular maintenance, including changing the fuel filter and checking for leaks, ensures the longevity and efficiency of not just the fuel system, but the vehicle as a whole. Therefore, understanding and caring for your car's fuel system is as important as understanding and caring for your own body.